Hi, I'm Maggie.
And I'm Spunky.
Let's cube.
Hold on there, Maggie. There's actual people watching this video right now who would like to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube.
Oh, right. I knew that. Please continue, Spunky.
Thank you, Maggie. Well, we're going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube using 3 simple videos. In this video, we'll teach you all the important stuff you need to know before you can start solving a Rubik's Cube.
We'll teach you 3 basic concepts: the construction of the cube, the notation we use to define the faces and movements, and the groups of moves we use called algorithms.
In the next video, we'll teach you, step by step, how to solve a cube. The third and final video will be a couple of walkthrough solves. So let's get started!
First of all, the cube is not just 6 sides with the same color stickers on each side. The cube is actually made up of different pieces: centers, edges, and corners.
The Rubik's Cube has 6 center pieces in the middle of each side. As you can see, they are in a fixed position. You can say that all the other pieces will always move around the centers. In other words, you want to solve the cube by placing all the pieces around their corresponding centerpiece. Since the centers are fixed, this also means that each center will have the same opposite color and will always be surrounded by the same 4 colors. As you can see, yellow will always be opposite of white and will always be surrounded by red, green, orange, and blue. Blue will always be opposite of green. Red will always be opposite of orange.
There are 12 edges. Each edge has 2 different colors and will always be located between 2 centers. Obviously, our goal is to place each edge piece between its corresponding centers.
Also, the Rubik's Cube has 8 corners. Each corner piece has 3 different colors and will always be located between 3 center pieces. As you can see, we want to place each corner in its right spot, surrounded by its corresponding centers.
Now that we know how the cube works, we're going to talk about the faces of the cube. When holding the cube like this, the side facing towards you will be the front face. The side opposite will be the back face. The side on the top is the up face of the cube, and the bottom side is the down face. The side to the right is the right face, and the side to the left is the left face. These positions are the same, regardless of where the colors are facing. Every side can be rotated clockwise and counterclockwise.
Rotating a side 90 degrees clockwise will be denoted with a capital letter corresponding to its side. For example, rotating the front face 90 degrees clockwise will be denoted as an F. To rotate a side 90 degrees counterclockwise will be denoted with a capital letter corresponding to its side, followed by an apostrophe or prime symbol. For example, rotating the up face 90 degrees counterclockwise will be denoted as U prime. To rotate a side 180 degrees will be denoted with a capital letter corresponding to its side, followed by the number 2. For example, rotating the right face 180 degrees will be denoted as R2.
Moving a side clockwise or counterclockwise has to be done as if you were looking at that face. It is very important to practice turning the sides properly, since it can be somewhat confusing at first.
I'm going to perform every move. This is an R, this is an L. This is an F. This is a B. This is a U. And this is a D. This is an R prime. This is an L prime. This is an F prime. This is a B prime. This is a U prime. And this is a D prime. This is an R2. This is an L2. This is an F2. This is a B2. This is a U2. And this is a D2.
Now that we know the notations, we can combine these moves into sequences called algorithms.
Algorithms will help us move the pieces we want to move while preserving what we have already done.
The first algorithm we are going to learn rotates the right side clockwise, the up side clockwise, the right side counterclockwise, and the up side counterclockwise. Or we could just say RU, R prime, U prime. Notice how this preserves the left, the front, and also the down faces of the cube. If we repeat this particular algorithm a certain number of times, the cube will go back to its original state. We also like to call this algorithm the sexy move. Throughout this tutorial, we're going to show you several algorithms of different lengths that are required to solve the cube efficiently.
Hey, we're totally done with the boring stuff.
Yeah!
You should, however, take a minute to look at your cube. Get to know your cube. Understand the moves of your cube. Be the cube.
See, I told you guys it wasn't so difficult. Now, I think you guys are ready to start solving some cubes now. See you in the next video! You can click right here, guys. Right there.
Hey guys, here's the next video. Right here.
Go
Click
for
on
it.
it.
Go.
Click.
Click. Right.
Right here.
That's enough.